Hi friends, and here I'm back again with one more video. It's the Christmas season. Christmas is coming very near, and so a lot of us are trying to decorate our houses. There's one thing that is a very integral part of a Christmas celebration. It is the nativity scene, or what we call it the crib or the manger. Okay, the Italians call it the presepe. They make elaborate models of a city with artistic details, very minute details, and they show the manger there. And I was very impressed by that 5 to 6 years back, and I started with my own efforts to try out making a replica of the presepe in my house. And initially I tried out with plaster of Paris, then with paper mache and like combination of paper mache, old styrofoams, and slowly with the trial and error method, I reached a level which I can say is good, not the best, not as good as the Italian recipes, but something that I like. I love to do this work. It takes a little longer to prepare it, but it looks very beautiful, and it's worth the try because the material is not very expensive. Uh, Old papers, old tissue papers, a little bit of glue, a small bag of POP or plaster of Paris, which is just 25 rupees, and a lot of effort and a lot of passion into that, and you can make something like what I have made just behind me, Italian presepe, kind of a look to your crib. So let's get into the video and how we can make it, how we can do it. Okay, so keep watching, keep tuned. First you need to get a nice flat board. It could be a piece of wood, could be a cardboard, anything like that which can be used. Keep a small figure just for to get the measurements. Get an old styrofoam, cut it according to what shape you want the crib to take. What is your landscape? Do you want a cave? Do you want to have a city? So accordingly cut the styrofoams. It may take some time, it may take a day for you to get the idea of what you exactly want. Use the natural form of the styrofoam, whatever shape it has, and get creative with that. Prepare a cave. Use a glue gun to stick those things. Glue gun helps to get a very firm bond. This can take even 2 days, but spend time on getting the basic form what you want, because that is going to decide what you're going to prepare. Then get some chips of wood and accordingly put them where you want the crib to be, where you want the house to be. This is the initial planning. It can take 2 to 3 days. After you're done with that, make sure you get some Fevicol and water together and form a paste. But this is going to be very important because if this is not correct, then your thing will not be strong enough. So make sure that you have a brush and you cover the whole structure which you have made, with this. Okay, it may take a whole day, but cover it, maybe 1 coat, 2 coat. Put paper, whatever gaps are there, in the gaps you can put the paper. You see, look at this. This is how it would look when you are making the initial coat with the Fevicol and water mixed. Fill up all the gaps. Make 2 coats, 3 coats. Then get the lights. Make sure these lights are not blinking. They are station lights. They don't blink. And then place them in strategic positions. Again put paper and glue. Again stick them. Make the structure very strong. Then the next is to get the POP. The POP is very important. Color and POP mix with water. Make a paste and coat the whole structure maybe once or maybe twice. Coat the structure once or twice and let it dry. It may take some time to dry. Next comes to make the foliage, which is called fall. Okay, so for that you require some sponge, and grind it into a grinder and mix green poster color, and you can get that desired color or whichever dark color, light color you want, and dry it up. That's why this process takes a long time, because you have to dry, make, and then accordingly when you want you can put the foliage in those places that you need in a structure where you have put those cracks and all that. Cover them with the foliage accordingly. Put some chips. A lot of creativity on your part. Watching photographs of precipice of old structures. You can make that from things that are thrown away. Pieces of branches, wood, to get it and place in a strategic position. Glue them nicely. Yes. Interior. Spend some time on what you want the structure to look like. Make those small lamps. See the wood. Yeah. And then when the final product is ready, it will look very nice. And you can put the figures, strategic positions. The houses can be made from styrofoam also, or could be even cardboard, could be wood, whatever you choose to. Then you can do the detailing, like I have done the dove there, a couple of dove in a small nest. You can do that. It will look beautiful. I hope you enjoy making this, and you give me your feedback. How do you may not get it on the first go. It may take some time. Some may get it on the first go, but it takes some time to watch, to learn from material, how the material behaves, material reacts to water, to glue, and after some time, it's a very nice hobby. It took me at least 25 to 15 to 25 days to prepare this. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe, and Merry Christmas to all those who are watching. Thank you very much. Bye bye.